Hi guys, welcome to Gold Price Daily Analysis. Today is Sunday 24th of March 2019. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember, always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. We will start the core analysis right after a quick recap. We've been waiting for a few economic headers to be released. We got these headers on Friday. From UK, we got the retail sales and the core retail sales above forecasts. And from the United States, we got the existing home sales above forecasts, while the service PMI and the manufacturing PMI were below forecasts. For the fact, if the existing home sales came below forecast, we would have seen the gold trading above 1,320. But however, uh, as a strategy recap, we said in the last episode, stay in the buy side for the gold, and any drop in the gold price to be considered as an opportunity to enter the market as a buyer. That's all for the strategy recap. Let's move on for the economic calendar for Monday. On Monday, we are waiting for the following economic headers to be released from German. We are looking for the German current assessment and the German IFO business climate and the German business expectations with importance from medium to high. Moving on from German to the United States, we are waiting for the following headers. FOMC member Harker speech and the Chicago Fed national activity for February and the Dallas Fed MFG business index for March. That's all for the economic calendar. We'll move on now to the technical analysis. On the last trading session on Friday, we got a trading range from 1,306 to 1,314. Numbers are rounded and the market is closed. Gold spot closed a little above 1,313. Moving on to the moving averages, we have them for the 20 days at 1,308, for the 50 days 1,304, and for the 100 days at 1,274, and for the 200 days at 1,242. We are above all the moving daily simple moving averages. Moving on to the RSI readings, for the 1 hour it's 54 in the favor of the bulls, for the 4 hours it's 57 in the favor of the bulls, and for the 1 day it's 55 in the favor of the bulls. We have actually a very and the resistance. We have the support at 1,309, 1,306, and 1,300. And the resistance are located at 1,317, 1,322, and 1,326. That's all for the technical analysis. We'll move on to the trading strategy. For the trading strategy, the trend is bullish, extremely bullish, and the price action is positive. We are above the daily moving averages, all of them, and we do expect a drop in the yield curve, which may affect the US dollar. Based on all of this, we advise you to stay on the buy side with a target of 1,326 to 1,332. Of course, any drop in the gold price, as long as it's still trading above 1,300, is considered as a good entry for the market as a buyer. Looking on the trading behavior, especially on the last Friday, we have seen the gold closing positively for the third week in a row, and it reversed back all of its monthly losses. So if we'll take this as a theory, we are looking now for the following possible targets: 1,332 as a start, then 1,346, followed by 1,356, then 1,365, then 1,375, then 1,396. We're talking about an extension of the rally from here of another $80. We will be taking this into consideration in our overall theory about the gold. That's all for today. Share and like and subscribe, and wait for our signals and our other video on Monday.